Photograph a historic site, help Wikipedia, and win a prize. Participate in the world's largest photography competition this month. Learn more. Organ biology. 132 languages. Organ. Many of the internal organs of the human body. Details. System organ systems. Identifiers. Latin organum. Greek O. FMA 67498. Anatomical terminology. Edit on Wikidata. Organs and viscera redirect here. For other uses, see organs, disambiguation, and viscera. Disambiguation. In a multicellular organism, an organ is a collection of tissues joined in a structural unit to serve a common function. 1. In the hierarchy of life, an organ lies between tissue and an organ system. Tissues are formed from same type cells to act together in a function. Tissues of different types combine to form an organ which has a specific function. The intestinal wall, for example, is formed by epithelial tissue and smooth muscle tissue. 2. Two or more organs working together in the execution of a specific body function form an organ system, also called a biological system or body system. An organ's tissues can be broadly categorized as parenchyma, the functional tissue, and stroma, the structural tissue with supportive, connective, or ancillary functions. For example, the glands tissue that makes the hormones is the parenchyma, whereas the stroma includes the nerves that innervate the parenchyma, the blood vessels that oxygenate and nourish it and carry away its metabolic wastes, and the connective tissues that provide a suitable place for it to be situated and anchored. The main tissues that make up an organ tend to have common embryologic origins, such as arising from the same germ layer. Organs exist in most multicellular organisms. In single-celled organisms, such as members of the eukaryotes, the functional analog of an organ is known as an organelle. In plants, there are three main organs. 3. The number of organs in any organism depends on the definition used by one widely adopted definition. 79 organs have been identified in the human body. 4. Explore our developer-friendly HTML to PDF API printed using PDF Crowd HTML to PDF. The liver and gallbladder of a sheep. Animals, edit. See also, list of organs of the human body and biological system. Except for placozoans, multicellular animals including humans have a variety of organ systems. These specific systems are widely studied in human anatomy. The functions of these organ systems often share significant overlap. For instance, the nervous and endocrine system both operate via a shared organ, the hypothalamus. For this reason, the two systems are combined and studied as the neuroendocrine system. The same is true for the musculoskeletal system because of the relationship between the muscular and skeletal systems. Cardiovascular system, pumping and channeling blood to and from the body and lungs with heart, blood and blood vessels. Digestive system, digestion and processing food with salivary glands, esophagus, stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, intestines, colon, mesentery, rectum and anus. Endocrine system, communication within the body using hormones made by endocrine glands, such as the hypothalamus, pituitary gland, pineal body or pineal gland, thyroid, parathyroids and adrenals, i.e., adrenal glands. Excretory system, kidneys, ureters, bladder and urethra involved in fluid balance, electrolyte balance and excretion of urine. Lymphatic system, structures involved in the transfer of lymph between tissues and the blood stream, the lymph and the nodes and vessels that transport it including the immune system. Defending against disease-causing agents with leukocytes, tonsils, adenoids, thymus and spleen. Integumentary system, skin, hair and nails of mammals. Also scales of fish, reptiles, and birds. And feathers of birds. Muscular system, movement with muscles. Nervous system, collecting, transferring and processing information with brain, spinal cord and nerves. Reproductive system, the sex organs, such as ovaries, oviducts, uterus, vulva, vagina, testicles. Vasa deferentia, seminal vesicles, prostate and penis. Respiratory system, the organs used for breathing, the pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, lungs, and diaphragm. Skeletal system, structural support and protection with bones, cartilage, ligaments and tendons. Viscera, edit. Explore our developer-friendly HTML to PDF API printed using PDF Crowd HTML to PDF. 1905 Diagram of the internal organs of human body. Relationship of major animal lineages with indication of how long ago these animals shared a common ancestor. On the left, important organs are shown, which allows us to determine how long ago these may have evolved. In the study of anatomy, viscera, SG, viscus, refers to the internal organs of the abdominal, thoracic, and pelvic cavities. 5. The abdominal organs may be classified as solid organs or hollow organs. The solid organs are the liver, pancreas, spleen, kidneys, and adrenal glands. The hollow organs of the abdomen are the stomach, intestines, gallbladder, bladder, and rectum. 6. In the thoracic cavity, the heart is a hollow, muscular organ. 7. Splunchnology is the study of the viscera. 8. The term visceral is contrasted with the term parietal, meaning of or relating to the wall of a body part, organ or cavity. 9. The two terms are often used in describing a membrane or piece of connective tissue, referring to the opposing sides. 10. Origin and evolution, edit. The organ level of organization in animals can be first detected in flatworms and the more derived phyla, i.e. the bilaterians. The less advanced taxa, i.e. Placozo, Porifera, Ctenophora, and Cnidaria, do not show consolidation of their tissues into organs. More complex animals are composed of different organs, which have evolved over time. For example, the liver and heart evolved in the chordates about 550 to 500 million years ago, while the gut and brain are even more ancient, arising in the ancestor of vertebrates, insects, mollusks, and worms about 700–650 million years ago. Given the ancient origin of most vertebrate organs, researchers have looked for model systems where organs have evolved more recently, and ideally have evolved multiple times independently. An outstanding model for this kind of research is the placenta, which has evolved more than 100 times independently in vertebrates, has evolved relatively recently in some lineages, and exists in intermediate forms in extant taxa. 11. Studies on the evolution of the placenta have identified a variety of genetic and physiological processes that contribute to the origin and evolution of organs. These include the repurposing of existing animal tissues, the acquisition of new functional properties by these tissues, and novel interactions of distinct tissue types. 11. Plants, edit. Explore our developer-friendly HTML to PDF API printed using PDF Crowd HTML to PDF. The flower is the angiosperm's reproductive organ. This hibiscus flower is hermaphroditic, and it contains stamen and pistils. Strobilus of equisetum. Telmati at. See also, plant morphology, plant anatomy, and plant physiology. The study of plant organs is covered in plant morphology. Organs of plants can be divided into vegetative and reproductive. Vegetative plant organs include roots, stems, and leaves. The reproductive organs are variable. In flowering plants, they are represented by the flower, seed and fruit. Citation needed. In conifers, the organ that bears the reproductive structures is called a cone. In other divisions, phyla, of plants, the reproductive organs are called strobili, in Lycopodia phyta, or simply gametophores in mosses. Common organ system. Designations in plants include the differentiation of shoot and root. All parts of the plant above ground, in non-epiphytes, including the functionally distinct leaf and flower organs, may be classified together as the shoot organ system. 12. The vegetative organs are essential for maintaining the life of a plant. While there can be 11 organ systems in animals, there are far fewer in plants, where some perform the vital functions, such as photosynthesis, while the reproductive organs are essential in reproduction. However, if there is asexual vegetative reproduction, the vegetative organs are those that create the new generation of plants. See clonal colony. Society and culture, edit. Many societies have a system for organ donation, in which a living or deceased donor's organ are transplanted into a person with a failing organ. The transplantation of larger solid organs often requires immunosuppression to prevent organ rejection or graft versus host disease. There is considerable interest throughout the world in creating laboratory-grown or artificial organs. Citation needed. Organ transplants, edit. Beginning in the 20th century, 13 organ transplants began to take place as scientists knew more about the anatomy of organs. These came later in time as procedures were often dangerous and difficult. 14. Both the source and method of obtaining the organ to transplant are major ethical issues to consider, and because organs as resources for transplant are always more limited than demand. Explore our developer-friendly HTML to PDF API printed using PDF Crowd HTML to PDF. Human viscera. For them, various notions of justice, including distributive justice, are developed in the ethical analysis. This situation continues as long as transplantation relies upon organ donors rather than technological innovation, testing, and industrial manufacturing. Citation needed. History, edit. This section needs expansion. You can help by adding to it. February 2018. The English word organ dates back to the 12th century and refers to any musical instrument. By the late 14th century, the musical term's meaning had narrowed to refer specifically to the keyboard-based instrument. At the same time, a second meaning arose, in reference to a body part adapted to a certain function. 15. Plant organs are made from tissue composed of different types of tissue. The three tissue types are ground, vascular, and dermal. 16. When three or more organs are present, it is called an organ system. 17. The adjective visceral, also splanchnic, is used for anything pertaining to the internal organs. Historically, viscera of animals were examined by Roman pagan priests like the haruspices or the augurs in order to divine the future by their shape, dimensions or other factors. 18. This practice remains an important ritual in some remote, tribal societies. The term visceral is contrasted with the term parietal, meaning of or relating to the wall of a body part, organ or cavity. 9. The two terms are often used in describing a membrane or piece of connective tissue, referring to the opposing sides. 19. Antiquity, edit. Aristotle used the word frequently in his philosophy, both to describe the organs of plants or animals. For example, the roots of a tree, the heart or liver of an animal, because, in ancient Greek, the word organon means tool, and Aristotle believed that the organs of the body were tools for us by means of which we can do things. For similar reasons, his logical works, taken as a whole, are referred to as the organon because logic is a tool for philosophical thinking. 20. Earlier thinkers, such as those who wrote texts in the Hippocratic corpus, generally did not believe that there were organs of the body but only different parts of the body. 21. Explore our developer-friendly HTML to PDF API printed using PDF Crowd HTML to PDF. Some alchemists, for example Paracelsus, adopted the Hermetic Kabbalah assignment between the 7 vital organs and the 7 classical planets as follows. 22. Planet organ: Sun heart, Moon brain, Mercury lungs, Venus kidneys, Mars gallbladder, Jupiter liver, Saturn spleen. Chinese traditional medicine recognizes 11 organs, associated with the 5 Chinese traditional elements and with yin and yang, as follows. Element yin / yang organ: wood, yin liver, yang gallbladder, fire, yin heart, yang small intestine / sanjiao, earth, yin spleen, yang stomach, metal, yin lungs, yang large intestine, water, yin kidneys, yang bladder. The Chinese associated the 5 elements with the 5 planets, Jupiter, Mars, Venus, Saturn, and Mercury, similar to the way the classical planets were associated with different metals. The yin and yang distinction approximates the modern notion of solid and hollow organs. See also, edit. List of organs of the human body. Organoid. Organ on a chip. Explore our developer-friendly HTML to PDF API printed using PDF Crowd HTML to PDF. Citus inversus. References, edit. 1 Widmeyer, E.P., Raff, H., Strang, K.T., 2014. Wunder's Human Physiology, 12th ed. McGraw-Hill. Higher Education. ISBN 978-0-07-128366-3. Page needed. 2 Kent, Michael, 2000. Advanced Biology. Oxford, Oxford University Press. p81. ISBN 0199141959. 3 Botany / plant structure. en.wikibooks.org. Archived from the original on 7 February 2018. Retrieved 6 February 2018 via Wikibooks, Open Books for an Open World. 4 New organ named in digestive system. BBC News. 2017. Archived from the original on 2018. 03-24. Retrieved 5 February 2018. 5 Bell, Daniel J. Viscera Radiology Reference Article. Radiopedia.org. 6 Bell, Daniel J. Solid and Hollow Abdominal Viscera Radiology Reference Article. Radiopedia.org. Retrieved 24 November 2021. 7 Biology of the Heart and Blood Vessel Disorders. MSD Manual Consumer Version. Retrieved 24 November 2021. 8 Medical Definition of Splunchnology. Merriam-Webster. Retrieved 25 November 2021. 9 AB Parietal Learning Brain Structure, Function and Variability from Neuroimaging Data. team.inria.fr. Archived from the original on 10 February 2018. Retrieved 10 February 2018. 10 Thoracic Cavity. Amboss. Archived from the original on 21 July 2019. Retrieved 8 September 2019. 11 AB Griffith, Oliver W. Wagner, Gunter P. 23 March 2017. The placenta as a model for understanding the origin and evolution of vertebrate organs. Nature, Ecology and Evolution. 1, 40072. Bibcode, 2017 NATE, 1, 72G. Do. 10.1000/S41559-017-0072. PMID 288126555. S2 SID 32213223. 12 The Plant Body Boundless Biology. Courses.lumenlearning.com. Archived from the original on 21 January 2019. Retrieved 19 March 2019. 13 Timeline of historical events and significant milestones. Organ Donor Government Web. Archived from the original on 19 January 2019. Retrieved 19 March 2019. 14 Transplant Definition, Types, and Rejection. Encyclopaedia Britannica. Archived from the original on 27 March 2019. Retrieved 19 March 2019. 15 Organ, N. Online Etymology Dictionary. Archived from the original on 1 May 2019. Retrieved 22 March 2019. 16 Plant Development I, Tissue Differentiation and Function. Biology 1520, Georgia Tech. Georgia Tech. Archived from the original on 3 September 2019. Retrieved 8 September 2019. 17-carat organ system definition and examples Biology Dictionary. Biology Dictionary. 31 October 2016. Archived from the original on 10 February 2018. Retrieved 10 February 2018. 18-carat Dickey, Matthew W. 2003. Magic and Magicians in the Greco-Roman World, 1st ed. Routledge. p. 274. ISBN 0415311292. 19-carat thoracic cavity. Amboss. Archived from the original on 21 July 2019. Retrieved 8 September 2019. 20-carat Lennox, James, 31 January 2017. Aristotle's Biology. Plato. Stanford University. Archived from the original on 7 May 2019. Retrieved 23 March 2019. Section 2, Aristotle's Philosophy of Science. Explore our developer-friendly HTML to PDF API printed using PDF Crowd HTML to PDF. 21-carat Gundert 1992, 465. Gundert, Beat. 1992. Parts and their roles in Hippocratic medicine ISIS 83. 45365. 22-carat Ball, Philip, 2007. The Devil's Doctor. London, Arrow. ISBN 978-09-945787-9. OCLC 1249195118. Archived from the original on 2 August 2021. Retrieved 2 August 2021. External links, edit. Media related to organs, anatomy, at Wikimedia Commons. Categories, levels of organization, biology, organ systems, organs, anatomy. Explore our developer-friendly HTML to PDF API printed using PDF Crowd HTML to PDF.